Now we are going ahead with second part, like second equation. We want to show that whether it is a tautology. What is the meaning of tautology? Last column must contain all true, contradiction all false, and contingency either true or false. Okay, but if you observe here, there are the three letters. That means three logical equations. How we are going to write down? It is P, it is Q, it is R. Any negation is there? Yes, it is a negation P. Okay. Now the first column, first what we can say, bracket. How we are going to about the first bracket? That is negation P implies Q. Okay. Now the second bracket. What is that bracket? That is a P or R. And what will be this? This is A and this is B. Then I can write down this is A and B. Okay. Now you can write down, if you write a whole statement there also no problem, but just for a timing I am considering that. Now how to write down for three logical statement? What I said, first 4 T's, then 4 false, then 2 true, 2 false, 1 true, 1 false. Okay, so that is 4 T's we are going to write down, 4 false we are going to write down. Okay, and then further though 2 true, 2 false, 2 true, 2 false, then true false, true false, true false, true false. Okay, now we wanted to write down negation P because we need for this. So negation of this P column. So what is that P column? Negation of true, it is false, it is false, it is false, it is false. Now negation of false, it is true, negation of false, it is true, negation of false, it is true, negation of false, it is true. So in short we are writing exactly opposite values of P. Now negation P implies Q. Now negation P implies Q. What we have written for implies? If it is true, false, it is false, or otherwise all are true. Okay, that means I am going to write down negation P implies Q. So false implies true, it is true, false implies true, it is true, false implies false, it is true, false implies false, it is true. Okay, then true implies true, it is true, then true implies true, it is true, true implies false, it is false, true implies false, it is false. Then P and R. Okay, now what is the meaning of P and R? This two. Now true and true, it is true, true and false, it is false, true and true, it is true, true and false, it is false, false and true, it is false, false and true, it is false, false and true, it is false, false and false, it is false. Okay, now between these two and true and true, it is true, true and false, it is false, true and true, it is true, true and false, it is false. Okay, then true and false, it is false, true and false, it is false, false and false, it is false, false and false, it is false. Okay, so that means whenever we have written the last column of this expression, it was found out to be not all false, not all true. Therefore, a given logical statement is what? What? Contradiction, right? So that is the second part. Sorry, it is a contingency because it is mix of all the statement, right? But suppose if you would have taken this statement as negation P or Q and P, instead of this, if I suppose write, and what statement I would have gone? I would have gone that again, is that the same? True or true, true or false, true, 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 true. But here it will be a problem for us. So again, anyhow, we are going to write down this as a question and you work it as a homework, right? So this is the way how we are going to write down about the second example, which involve three logical equations, and how to write down their, what we can say, that how to examine whether the given equation is a tautology, contradiction and contingency. Once again, tautology means all the columns should, that last column should contains all the true values. Contradiction means all the must be contains all the false values. Contingency means they are mix of true and false values. So therefore we can say that this particular logical equation is an contingency, since the last column contains true and false the values, right? So this is about your that particular case.